Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to calculate dog years to human years. 15 human years equals the first year of a medium-sized dog's life. Year 2 for a dog equals about 9 years for a human. And after that, each human year would be approximately 5 years for a dog. The 20th of November 2019.
Take our lead.
Dogs have a heightened sense of smell and energy, which enables them to get an entire story with just a scent and interpret human emotions before humans do. Aside from these, they can detect human illness and death as well. 12 November 2020.
Take our lead.
Here are some physical signs your dog might be sad. Vocalizations like whines or whimpers. Mopey behavior around things they typically enjoy. Lowered energy. Refusing food or treats. Eyes appear squinty or smaller than usual. A change in sleep patterns or behavior.
Let's help you make your mark.
Determining your dog's age. Chances are, you know the approximate age of your adopted dog based on what you were told when you got him, but it is often difficult even for a veterinarian to tell the exact age of your pup. We can make an educated guess based on a few factors like teeth and fur color.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.